Was the weekend before Christmas, and all through the house, not a power tool was to listen to, not even a snooze. Hello folks, welcome to the Urban Homesteading channel. This is the last weekend before Christmas, and today we're going to do a very simple build you can do with the most minimal of tools. I mean, all we used was a handsaw and a drill. So virtually everyone can do this project.
And a measuring tape.
And the measuring tape. It's not 100% necessary, but it helps. Today, we would have liked to do a Christmas project, but our limitation on tools made it a little harder for us. So we built something that is useful for everyone. So stick around and see what we build and how we build it. If today is the first time with you visiting in our channel, we want to extend you a very warm welcome and invite you to view any of our over 420 videos that we have arranged in playlists for your convenience, as we are confident you're going to find something both enjoyable and useful. If you've been here before and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. I don't know what that accent was. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Every household needs a paper towel holder, and while they're not very expensive items to purchase, there is always a satisfaction that comes from building something on your own. So today we decided to show you how to build a paper towel holder, and the total cost of this was not high at all. We went and purchased a cut circle. If you have the equipment, you can definitely clearly make your own circle. And if we were back in Kansas in our shop, that would have been an easy prospect. But because we don't have that capability here, we decided to go the already made material. And that cost us what, $3 we said?
Yep.
So $3, and of course if you were to make 2 or 3 for people, the dowel, we use very, very small amounts of the dowels, right? So both dowels together probably was another 50 cents for what we used, not to purchase.
For what you used, yeah.
So, and we had the glue, so that was free, but let's say another 10 cents for glue, trying to calculate the whole cost. Mm-hmm. What else? That was the material, wasn't it? Oh, we needed a door pull, a drawer pull,
yeah,
or something, a sort of finial, or
yeah.
Maybe we should have 3D printed something, but I don't have wood filament yet. But in any case, we spent $4 or less in material, and this was probably one of our quickest builds ever. I would say what, without waiting time, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
So we think everyone has the ability, the skills, and the tools to do this build. It's a great do-it-yourselfer, beginning do-it-yourselfer woodworker build, and of course you can finish it. We're not finishing ours at this stage, but maybe later on we'll decide to finish it, but you can definitely finish it to better match your decor. So stick around and we're going to show you how to do it. So in keeping with our tradition of not measuring things, right?
Right.
We have shoes. We have used a new roll of towel to figure out how tall we want our rod to be. So we're going to eyeball it and make a mark so we can cut it. You sure that's all we want?
Yep.
Okay. And we're going to use that first one to cut the smaller one. So let's go and cut those 2 parts and we'll be right with you. So we found this circular piece of wood in our big box store. You can also find them at Michael's or at what do you call those, art stores. The important thing is that this is about 8 inches in diameter. And now we're finding the middle. You can do more to make sure that you're in the middle.
I know. This is why I'm like, I think this isn't quite right.
No.
It's not right.
And let us find the middle, and we're going to come back to you and tell you what we did. So we know that our circle is 8 inches in diameter, and we know from geometry that two diameters will intersect at the circle middle, at the middle of the circle. Circle middle, middle of the circle, same thing, right? So we drew lines using the two diameters, and then where they intersect, we made a mark. In fact, we drew 3 lines just to be sure you don't have two lines intersecting, two diameters intersecting, give you the middle of a circle. So you need to know the diameter of your circle in order to make sure that you are in the correct spot. And as you can see there,
8.
ours is 8. Of course, now the camera decided to be difficult.
I told you that camera's very difficult.
There, fantastic. Look at that, the clarity is amazing. So, with our marks intact, we are ready to start moving on with our quick little build. Can you see? So we have our first, and now we're going to switch drill bits, hopefully without injuring ourselves.
Yes, let's.
Huh?
I said yes, let's not.
So the one in the middle is for the, what do you call it, the
Dowel.
big dowel, and this is for the little one. What?
This thing is just not focusing.
Oh,
There we go.
sorry. It's drilling though, nothing really exciting.
Well, you know, but
All right.
okay. So now we're done.
No, we're not done yet. We're done for out here.
So here is the base piece with both of the holes drilled. You did manage to go all the way through on that one.
I went through both of them because they are long.
Yeah, they have this pointy on it, on the bit.
That's the technical term, the
Yep,
pointy.
Anyway, so now they're both drilled and we're going to cut the dowels to length.
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
It never fails. In Kansas was the neighbor with the lawnmower.
Yeah.
Here is airplanes.
Well, we live fairly close to the whole, airplane area.
You mean the airport?
Yes.
The airplane area.
You want to be technical about it.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know me and technicalities.
Right. The thingy.
The thingamajig.
Yeah, this doesn't have to be very long then, remember.
But we have a mark somewhere.
We never marked this. It really just matched it up to the... There we go.
You think that's good enough?
Yes.
And why we don't have that the same length?
Because they're never the same length.
Explain to our... Where's the cat? This.
I have it in my pocket.
Oh.
I'm telling you.
Okay, so we went outside and we finished with our cats as you saw. And we're back inside. I think it's already open, isn't it? Oh, it wasn't. Actually, we need glue on the sides. So just some wood glue, and we're going to rotate it. There we go. It might be easier if you put the glue in the hole on the small one versus the dowel. Now if you wanted, you could also use screws for these. I don't think it's necessary. What do you guys think?
No.
When you glue something, just turn it around. Okay, and now we're going to put some glue on all of it was fine. So we're putting a little glue again. This is just ornamental.
Don't want your thing to be all lopsided, do you?
No, I don't want my thing all lopsided. And again, you could use a screw to hold it, or there are many different ways to do it, and you can use different things. We happen to find this drawer pull, but you can also use little balls, little wood balls, right?
Or you can find a decorative drawer pull, like with some sort of crystal
Right.
or ceramic or something, depending on what you're looking for.
All right, we'll give it a few moments to dry, and we'll be right with you.
A few minutes later.
This is a very straightforward little build. It only needs a couple of items to be completed. And overall, it is exactly what we thought. And again, for under $4, we have a functional build that we did it ourselves. And you can buy that for how much usually? Solid wood. I know you can buy them plastic, but if you were to make a wood one, definitely I think you will spend more than $4.
Mm-hmm.
And you will not have the satisfaction of doing it yourself.
Yeah, I've seen them for anywhere from 10 to 20, depending on how fancy it is.
And again, you can probably finish it. I don't think we're going to finish it. What do you think? I don't think we need that. I mean, this looks nice to me. And its function is just to hold paper towels.
That's it.
Purple towels, yes.
Paper towels. Very short episode, but I think of a useful project that definitely anyone can start and getting some familiarity with woodworking and do-it-yourself projects. It is an easy product to build, and you're going to be both pleased with yourself and also have something in your household that you can use. If you did enjoy this short video, we ask you that you give us a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. If you didn't, the other button works as well, but hey, it is the holiday season. Give us a thumbs up. Give us 2 thumbs up. Give us 3 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up. These are not thumbs though, right?
This?
No, that's not a thumb.
No.
We appreciate your support, and we hope that you have a great holiday season. From the Garage Wizard, Mrs. Wizard, and Elpida, we want to send you a very warm holiday wish. Merry Christmas. Happy...
Hanukkah?
Yeah, but I was sorry, is Happy Hanukkah the correct one?
Yep.
Happy Hanukkah and Happy Kwanzaa.
Kwanzaa.
Sorry. I apologize. So
Don't
happy...
forget El Malagueño.
That's mine. Happy Kwanzaa and Happy Malagueña to the rest of you. We'll see you soon with a quickie on Christmas Day. Farewell, friends.